when we get on site. Also be advised, we have 15 vehicles have started. We'll be starting in a few minutes. WD2DW.
Okay, fast food net control, you need to start now.
Get the thing.
All right, we gotta roll.
Gotta roll.
Fast sweep copies. We are entering special stage 1, WD2DW.
Woohoo! DA copies, net control.
Oh shit,
I can't hear nothing now.
That's a roll the window up.
Oh, why did that say chill? Volume now is so small.
We're good. I know, right?
Stage 1 start, net control. Stage 1 start, go ahead. Stage 1 start, can you give me a count of how many cars have started? I'm only showing 14.
That's because they didn't.
Number to report, last number was number 65, so I got a total of 15 over. Net control copies, 1-5. Stay all red to red.
hello. How long is the course?
About 6 miles.
Is that all? Okay.
Just stage 1.
Just stage 1, and then stage 2 is 4,
Okay.
4.5, something like that.
Plenty of spectators.
Oh yeah. Well, more than I thought would be here. Because they were telling us,
Come on, come on.
Oh, you got it.
dude,
You got it.
come on.
Yeah.
I thought you drove a car.
Heavy's fixing right behind me.
What's our time? What's our time? I don't know our time. Woohoo! I thought you said we were supposed to be a minute behind these cars.
Yeah, that car came in late,
Okay.
so he doesn't get that minute buffer. Is he okay?
He's okay.
Okay.
He's okay.
He says okay. Gotcha.
Car number. Oh yeah, he ate it big.
Ooh, ooh, shit.
Spectator to net control.
You good? Alright.
What number? And I need a mile.
115. I have no idea.
915.
915. We did
Net
do our-
control. Fast sweep.
We did our mileage stuff.
Fast food, net control.
Vehicle 915. Repeating 915 off the course on the left side of special stage 1, just past Marshall Point 7. Be advised they are okay. We are going to continue the course. Heavy sweeps out with them.
We didn't get their time card either.
Heavy sweeps got
Net
it.
control, KL1PA.
I know, but we didn't red flag it.
Yeah, we should. I figured they were DNF. There's no flag.
As we clear stage 2, all is good for ECGS.
I'll see if I remember to reset that time that at some point.
Okay.
But we can't do it until
Until we get where we're
because
going.
we don't even know what the difference is on anything. We don't have that outlook.
Stage 1 finished.
So we lost something right there. Surprised they didn't put an arrow here. We didn't put an arrow here.
There should have been
Kinda
an
a
arrow
weird one.
there, huh? That's right.
Now we're gonna go down to the creek.
Woo! If we make it.
You're funny.
Stage 1 finished, go ahead.
Down to the creek.
Caution, dip water.
Not much of a dip actually. Then up the hill.
Cars that have finished stage 1.
Caution, left soft.
Car 85, 85, car 25, car 74, car 83, car 82, car 70, car 51. Copy, advise last one was 51. Roger, roger.
That tree will get somebody.
I didn't see it. I didn't even see it.
Exactly. It was 2 inches off the course on the inside of the turn.
I'm afraid from this one over the lake. That spot over the lake.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
the berm.
No, it's a tight turn and then it's a tree, like right there.
Oof.
It's a tree on exit, like it's right up on the track.
That control stage 2, start. Stage 2, start, go ahead. Car 84 is at the start. Stage 2, start, car 84 is clear to start in under a minute. 51, 51.
Deer.
Fucking deer. Oh my god.
That's
Oh.
gonna be the one that somebody gets hurt. We're gonna have a code 73 causing the deer. And we're gonna get in trouble because we hit the deer.
That control stage 2, start, car 84 is on track. Copy that, 1151.
Should come up to Airport Road here soon.
That grass is unnaturally green.
And you know, I asked why it was still green, and
Biosolids.
it says that the biosolids keep the moisture in it longer.
And
it'll stay greener longer throughout the year.
To distribute lunches to the workers. It's net control KR1ZA at 1152.
Spectators.
No, those are
Those are
marshals.
marshals.
Okay.
Clear, white deer.
Ooh,
Let's
yeah.
go, boy.
That's what?
That's got antlers. There was one we saw that didn't have antlers. It was a boy and didn't have antlers on it. We called him Goat Boy. Because it looks like a
Looks like a
goat. On here.
So either our guy got get, or
Something broke.
or he went somewhere he wasn't supposed to.
I'm thinking something broke. I forget how long this thing is.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I rode with people driving an ambulance like you.
Oh.
I'm really pretty sure.
Ooh, that's a soft right. Who's got MDC 1200 on their radio?
This is the Airport Road.
Yeah.
This is cool. Look at this. Woohoo.
This right here, there's a couple spots on this road that are just kind of.
That looks deceptive.
This one's not bad. It's the one on the other end. It's the bad one. Do I have my lights on? Yeah. Oh, that was here before. I thought that was like a piece of metal, like hanging up like that. The double caution.
Double caution.
This is dip right here.
That's my job.
Ooh, it
Somebody-
looks like something's-
Somebody did not heed
Yep.
the double caution.
Yep, there's a piece of car.
Good news is they can only do that once.
Is your girlfriend still over here on this side?
Yeah.
Okay. She's still in the same spot?
Yep.
She's probably right here. Somewhere in here.
Yeah, up there. Look for the giant yellow beacon.
There it is. Oh wait, we're driving in there. Yellow beacon.
It's a yellow car thing.
Man, they just like cut my course. Alright. When we get up here, I'm probably gonna end up going pretty slow.
Yeah, it's pretty
I
slow.
don't want to risk it. Especially through the first time.
Right.
Don't
Especially
mess up
after
on the first
predators.
times.
Yeah. Wait till late in the day when you can claim to be
Yeah,
tired.
yeah, on the fourth turn through it. And, yeah, cover. See how bad this stuff is.
Oh,
Service area net control.
5 had busted wheels, so there might be another one up here.
Service area, please advise Miguel that all cars are on time. So please use group time to fill in any gaps. Net control, KR1CA.
She
Service
said,
area copy.
I haven't seen 915. I said that's because 915 ate a shit sandwich.
Yeah, you won't be seeing 915 at all.
You're not going to see
It'd
915.
be amazing
for a
if
while.
he gets out of this thing. I don't know that they're going to be able to pull him out of that.
They're probably just going to flag him and move on because of how
Oh.
quick. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Like this section right through here
This
is
ain't.
all.
This ain't bad.
Some of it's not
It's
bad.
oh,
We gotta talk
triangles.
Triangles.
This is probably 5 and a busted wheel.
No, 60.
60.
I don't know where we're at. Oh, we got
Okay.
2. We got 2 of them.
At 2 down.
Ah,
And they're in
Y'all
the
good?
ditch.
I guess so.
You know what mile you're in?
Do you know what mile we're at? No, sorry.
Are you guys good to continue?
No, not. We have a shaft pull out of the rear.
Okay, I'll take your time card.
000, this is Clark acting as net control.
We're gonna have to get.
000, go ahead, net control.
Okay. What they're probably going to do is push you back
Okay,
there
you
and
guys
flag
should
it.
be starting,
Thank you.
stage 3
You
in
guys
about
are
3
6-0?
minutes by the schedule.
Okay.
Question is, please check out the grass section.
We got room on
stage
this side.
3.
We got another one up there,
Yeah.
too.
Well, let's get their time card and their mileage if they have it.
Get your opinion on it, Rick.
Time card and mileage.
I
don't know that we're gonna be able to pull you out of there.
Starting special stage 3, 3 minutes. Correction, 2 minutes now.
Do you have a pen?
Dang, I don't have a pen. You got a
I
pen?
got a pen, looking here.
A good medic has a pen.
Good
Thank
medic
you.
has a pen.
Red flag. What's your mileage? 4.47? Okay.
Control, finish stage 2. Stage 2 finish, go ahead.
I'll take that over flipping the
Please advise, car 84 is off the course. W4JUU.
Alright. We're not keeping it. It's a red flag, right?
I know, but I'm just going
4.47. Thank you. What car number is that?
65.
What's the plan here? We just get pulled out and then we.
If we can pull
Yeah, heavy
if,
sweep will be right behind us to get
if
you.
they can pull you out, then they will pull you out. They'll pull you probably back there if possible. We'll just have to see when you get it. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, control. Please advise if they finish the stage, please advise finished rather than off course.
Yeah. Thanks.
Car 84 is finished. Over.
Jerk.
Oh, he's finished.
Thank you very much. Net
That's
control,
finished.
KL1ZA.
Are we okay?
Yeah, they're all
Net control,
They have the
stage
OK
2,
sign.
I see him.
Yeah,
Okay.
following cars started.
My bad.
Go ahead, please.
Good job.
Start.
Time card.
85,
That's what she's
Here.
getting, I think.
This is for you. I've got what I need.
Okay.
74,
And it's going to be about the same spot. So just
Yeah,
give
I'm
them
doing them all
three
the
of them.
same.
70.
Net control, fast sweep.
85, 25,
I was
74,
trying-
82,
I just need to
70.
red
Net
flag
control
it.
copies. This is KL1ZA. Stage 1 finished. Stage 1 finished. Do you have any updated information on finishing cars?
Yeah.
Net control, fast sweep.
Fast sweep, go ahead.
Net control, be advised, we are 4.47 miles in on special stage 1. I have car 60 did not finish. I have car 65 red flag. Car 5 all red flag. That's 60 DNF, 65 red flag, and car 5 red flag.
And they're all in the same spot.
Net control copies. 60 DNF, 65
hopefully
red
they'll pull you
flag,
out.
5 red flag. KL1ZA. Triple 0. 0, net control.
This is
Will be
squishy.
advised triple
This
0
is
has started
worse
stage
than squishy.
3 time.
This is
1159.
slick as snow.
000 is on the stage.
Net control copies. KL1
Oh, this is a mess.
Stage 1 finish. Stage 1 finish. Do you have any additional finishes? So we
No,
can
because
have
nobody's made it.
Oh, shit.
Dang.
Nobody's
I was
made it.
seeing it go into that tree over there.
And it was going to be mine. I was on the bleeding side.
Oh. The good news is it wasn't going to be our problem for long. Oh boy. Yeah. I reconsider the
Stage
velocity
1
would have made
finish.
it.
Net control. Do you have additional finishing cars so we can account for cars on your stage?
Come on.
Show, please copy. Car 15. Car.
Come on, front wheel drive, kick in.
Car.
You can do it.
516. An additional 3 cars have finished. A control copy. This is KL1ZA.
Come on. Okay.
KL for the AH.
We stopped. I think we're the only ones because there's another tire track right there.
Oh,
Holy cow.
this was crazy. The dumb shit I volunteer for to talk on the radio. Get that pen when you can safely get it.
No, you drive. I got another pen in my pocket. I brought two. A good
Oh,
paramedic
buddy.
don't
Go, go, go,
shit.
go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Front tires go, do your thing. Back
Come on,
tires
front tires.
go.
Yeah, there's another tire track over here, so.
Come on, front tires. Come on. Stay on. Holy cow.
It just had to rain today.
I
Last
know,
night,
right?
Yesterday.
It was not as bad yesterday.
Man, and we've only run it once.
It's already looking awful.
One of two things is going to happen. The cars are going to cut good grooves in it. We won't have any problems going forward. Or the cars are going to push off whatever traction there is, and it's just going to be slick as shit.
Or we're gonna not go this way anymore. I think that Andrew probably has a
Alternate.
backup plan. I would hope. Let's go wide.
Wide is safe.
Wide should be good.
Yeah, I don't want to go
Some
down
of these
there.
get narrow too. Like some of those spots are like narrow. Come on.
Who designed these roads?
I don't think these were designed. I don't know that this was a road.
It was
They
just
just
a flat piece of
Found a
land.
spot with no trees, and
Yeah, there you go.
so off
I
you
think,
go.
I think it's some kind of protection berm thing.
Yeah, it's
because-
water retention berm.
Yeah, because there's a lot of that goes on in this place.
Mm-hmm.
It's just trying to hold all the water in because of chemicals and
Yeah.
whatever else. Oh my gosh.
Take control, stage 2 finish. Stage 2 finish, go ahead. Please copy car 85, 25, 74, 82, and 70. That's 85, 25, 74, 82, and 70 are finished with course 2. Net control copy 8525748270. KL1ZA. W4JUU.
The problem is that red car is like stuck.
Yeah.
If they can't pull that one out, then it's going to drop other cars into it. I think that's how the blue car messed up.
Yeah, 'cause it looked like they tried to get around and just
Dropped off
Didn't.
the edge. Alright, there's flying finish.
Hello.
And then
so
it gets
15 started, 14, 13, 12. We should have 11 up here.
this gets really tight through here.